Ever looked at your Samsung lock screen and thought, what's this notification even about? Just a bunch of app icons and zero clue what's going on, right? Well, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Samsung lock screen show full notification content, not just tiny app icons. All right, let's get into it. First, go to your Samsung phone's settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Lock Screen. Now, hit Edit Lock Screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see those little app icons. Tap on them. From there, just select Details instead of Icons. Boom! Now your lock screen will actually show what the notification says. Want to make it look even better? You can also adjust the background transparency of the notification area to your liking. And once you're happy with it, just tap on Done, and you're all set. So next time someone texts you, you'll see the actual message, not just a mystery bubble. If this tip helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more Samsung hacks like this. Catch you in the next one.